Hello. Yes, today I am vlogging after a really long time. I think after 8 months. It's been a journey in last 7-8 months. काफ़ी challenging time था, but fingers crossed, everything is settled now. And tomorrow I am flying to Canada from Mumbai for my higher education. आई एम एट भाई भाभीज़ प्लेस. वो लोग नवी मुंबई से शिफ्ट होकर अंधेरी आ गए एंड मुंबई में. एंड टुडे 17th, tomorrow is 18th February. So tomorrow I am leaving the country for the time being. Parents are also here, so just spending some final time with my family before I proceed. So yeah, यही है. Stay tuned and I'll be vlogging my journey till Canada. Alexa. All set. ये अराउंड 20 kgs का है, 22 kgs. ये भी 20 kgs है. ये 10 kgs है और ये 4-5 किलो का होगा. नींद आ नहीं रही है फिर भी आई विल ट्राई टू स्लीप. सो मेरी फ़्लाइट कल 3:30 PM को जो है दैट विल टेक मी टू दुबई एंड देन देर इज़ अ ले ओवर ऑफ 7 hours एंड देन आई हैव माई नेक्स्ट फ़्लाइट टू टोरंटो. यही है. चलो बाय. शेखर भैया आ चुके हैं टू ड्रॉप मी ऑफ.
कल का तो सब्जी था.
इट्स अराउंड 11-10 AM एंड टाइम हो गया निकलने का. भाभी भैया मॉम डैड एंड शेखर भैया वी आर ऑल गोइंग टू द एयरपोर्ट. भाभी की भी फ़्लाइट है 3 बजे की. शी इज़ गोइंग टू पटना, सेम टर्मिनल, सो दैट्स अ गुड पार्ट. बस यही है. इट्स टाइम टू लीव नाउ.
ये भी कहना ठीक ही है, समझे ना. ए व्लॉगर हो गया बस. एक कैमरा बंद रे.
बाय बाय बाय. सो एयर इंडिया पीपल वर वेरी सपोर्टिव. आई वांटेड कि मेरा दुबई से लगेज ऑटोमेटिक ट्रांसफ़र हो जाए फ्रॉम एयर इंडिया टू एयर कनाडा एंड दे हेल्प मी विथ इट एंड दे ऑल्सो cooperated with the luggage, which is great. Now I am going towards the security check. Bhabhi is also there. I may meet her, so let's see. 18 is I am moving towards the parking area. My taxi has come. Immigration हो गया, सब कुछ हो गया. It was very hectic but fast. I'll sit. Sorry to keep you on wait. This is the place I am going to stay. look what I have found. Tesla. I got biryani parcel for myself and shawarma I'll be eating here. Looks like a nice place. Let's see how it tastes. Shawarma is here. I just had shawarma and it was quite nice. However, our driver Mr. Zahir is not here. I don't know where he is gone. He told me that he is coming in a minute. It's been 7-8 minutes now. He's running and coming. हाँ बहुत टाइम से वेट कर रहा हूँ मैं.
सर जी मैं बस थोड़ा
कोई नहीं, आप शॉपिंग करने लगे थे. Hi, good morning. So last night I slept around 3 a.m. Woke up around 9. I was so tired that I could not even complete biryani. Just understand how tired I was. Biryani bhi khatam nahi kiya. It's 11:30 a.m. right now. I'm leaving for the airport in some time. I'm going there early because I have to reconfirm whether my check-in luggage got automatically transferred to Air Canada flight or no, because yesterday when I left from Mumbai, then it was supposed to get automatically transferred, but now when my flight is rescheduled, I'll have to reconfirm that. So right now I only have hand luggage with me. So yeah, that's why I'm going there early. Dubai was fun, pleasant stay. It's a beautiful city to be in. So yeah, next stop is Toronto, not Toronto. Chalo bye. Rohan Raj. So security done, immigration done. I ate something. Now I'm waiting near the gate. Boarding will start around 6:45 p.m. It's 5 p.m. right now, so I'll have to wait. So boarding has now started. I'm just going to the washroom and coming back. Finally. All set, everything done, immigration done, got my study permit, got my baggage, and I also accidentally met an ex-flatmate, Leon, who was there with me in the Kurla flat I used to stay 2 years ago. So it was a pleasant surprise. I'm still waiting for him because he's been selected for COVID testing. So small world, but felt really nice, like ऐसे कहीं पे अचानक से कोई मिल जाए. Yeah. Thank you so much. That's my place. This is my room and the host were lovely. This is the view from my room. It's around 6:30 a.m. here.